Okay, assuming you have a PNDP device, a PLC that's PNDP, how do you configure it to run on your Simatic Manager? In my last video, we talked about a little bit of hardware configuration. You can check back the last video to see. Okay, let's insert a new object. It's a Simatic 300. For now, we're going to use the 314C PNDP. C because it's going to be a compact device. I don't want to start adding the iOS for now, so I'm going to use a CN. Okay, we put in the rail first. Just go check that out in the other one. Okay, I said it's a 314C compact PNDP. Okay, that's it. On the second rack. Sorry. Okay, here you can put in the properties for the Ethernet. You want to use the Ethernet network, you create a new one here. It's Ethernet. Good. If there is anything you might need to modify here for your IP address, this is where you modify it. It comes in the force like this. If you want to use a different method to obtain IP, that's automatic. When you plug it, it checks for the other devices, picks up an auto IP. Good, but usually this way, and we are not using routers. So, okay. Good, I've created the Ethernet network. If you check here, you would see it. This is the Ethernet network. Now, how about my Profibus network? It's PNDP, right? I come here, I double click. It's a PNDP. You can see that everything here is PNDP. I want it to be a Profibus network, and I create a new network. Wonderful. This is it. Subnet addresses, everything. I give you a transmitter rate. The profile I want it to be DP, it's a standard DP. Okay. And then the address I want it to be 1. Okay, 2. 1 has been taken, so it's 2. And then okay, good. So now you have your okay. This is your Ethernet, this is your Profibus. Good. Now, if you want to add device to this Profibus network or to this Ethernet network, you come to the Profibus network and right click, insert object. You have an 8200, you want to insert. Have a downforce drive, you want to insert. That's how to put it up there and address it. And device is slow. So additional feature, okay, let's put the ET200 first, and the ET200 is ET200M IM153. Wonderful, just as simple as that. Give it the address. I want it to be address 10. I'm transmitting on this bus. Good, it's there. I want to insert another object. It's a downforce FC300. Device is getting slow. I need to change it. Okay, it's an additional field device. Drives, downforce, FC300. Good. There are other parameters you can change here. Other parameters you can change, but I'm giving it address 15 for instance. Then okay. There are other parameters you can change here. Parameter assignment, I'm not going into that yet. Now on your Profibus network, we have 2 devices. Then how about on the IO network, that's the Ethernet network? I want to add a device. Let's see, insert an object. We have ET200, that is Ethernet enabled. Let's use this. And here it is. I come here, I check the addresses, I check the synchronization level, the mode update time automatic. With this, good. That's it. There's no other story to tell about it. The IP address has picked up automatically in case you need to change it. Just go to Ethernet and change it. But there it is. And you remember to do your save and compile.